All right, this is the 5x5x4 plastic box I was going to make a video on for you guys to show you if you need to replace a thermostat like on a true reach-in or makeup table. You can mount this box in there. I put the Dixell control in. I cut it out with my Milwaukee Dremel tool with a cutting wheel. Mount the thermostat. I just run it in the one probe configuration. Then you can get a strain relief and run your power cord and your thermistor through the same hole. And you can mount this wherever you need to make it with your, your multi-drill bit for 1/2-inch knockout. Gives you versatility to mount it anywheres, and then run some SJ cord to where the old thermostat was. That's how I've been doing it. I'll give you a shot of the box on Amazon. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, here's the box on Amazon. I will have a link in the description. It's rainproof. It is 5x5x4. Also, if you guys didn't know, the Dixell controls are super cheap on there. They're rebranded. 2 probes, you can get them between $35 and $38 on Amazon, which is a great deal because they do offer defrost. I run them in an air defrost configuration. Every 6 hours for either 30 or 25 minutes, it'll defrost. You can time it out, and I'll run it in a single probe configuration. Super simple, super basic, and it's been working out pretty good. All right, huge shout out to Felipe Tafoya. He's the one that turned me on to this. He gives me all his good ideas, and then I steal them and put them on YouTube. He's too busy to make videos because he's a working man. And this is just a great setup. You could use it in walk-in boxes, reach-ins, whatever you need to do. And super easy, super quick. You get down the road to the next call, and gives you a little more control over the unit than just a regular basic cut-in thermostat also. But it's something to think about. It's here. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, and I hope you all have a great Sunday.